Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your SST teacher class 5 unit 3 reduce, reuse and recycle. In the previous lesson you have learned that the world is polluted by the trash and later we produce. Just look around and see how the land is being polluted by the junk later produced by us. As the world pollution increase, our domestic waste also increase vastly. Our waste today mostly consists of paper, rags, metal, glass bottles, plastic containers and all the other countless rubbish that we put into our dustbin every day. We use are not disposed of properly. They become pollutant for our land, and you see pollution is the greatest threat to our environment. Have you ever thought about and how we can solve this problem? We can avoid pollution by making less trash, that is reduce, or using things over and over again, that is reuse. The thing which cannot be reused may be converted into some new materials or products, that is recycle. So we can make the world a better place to live in by practicing these 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, making less trash. Reuse, using things over and over again. Recycle, making new material or products from waste material. Reduce. Reduction means consuming and throwing away less. For example, a lot of paper thrown by us into our dustbins, if used carefully, can reduce our waste greatly. The use of paper bag instead of plastic shoppers can also reduce our waste. We can reduce our waste materials by using the thin and long lasting manufacturers. Can also be helpful in reducing waste by using less packaging materials for the goods. For example, the packaging of food products is necessary because it is preserves food, but there are things which do not need packaging at all or can be sold with less packaging materials. Can you list some of these products? Reuse. Reuse materials also reduces waste. The materials which have a long life can be used again after their original use is finished. Glass jars, plastic containers and boxes can be reused in many ways. For example, a glass jar can be reused as a flower vase. Reusing items by repairing or Donating to the charities also reduce unnecessary collections. For example, old clothes, shoes, etc. may be given to the organizations which distributed these to needy people. Plastic bags may be used several times before disposing them properly. Recycling turns materials that would otherwise become waste into some new materials or products. The materials, example, glass, metals, plastics, and paper, after collection are separated and sent for recycling to the recycling plants, where they can be turned into new materials or products. Recycled paper is used to make cartons for packaging of shoes, tea, biscuits, etc. Recycled newspaper is used to make new newsprint, and recycled plastic is used to make electrical switchboard and household items. Like chairs, buckets, mugs, and many other things. There are many advantages of recycling. Through recycling, we can save our energy, resources like electricity and gas. Recycling plants do not pollute water and air as much as the plant for new product. Recycling also produce many jobs for people. Reuse. Reuse is the best policy of resources conversion. To reuse is used to use an item again after being is used. Example of conventional reuse: refillable milk bottles, retrending of tires, and the use of returnable reusable plastic box, shipping and containers, etc. Advantages of reuse. Number 1, reuse helps save time, money, energy and resources. Reuse reduce disposable needs and costs. Reusable products are often cheaper than the many single-use products it replaces. Disadvantages of reuses. Number 1, sorting and preparing items for use take times, which may be inconvenient for consumers and cost money for businesses. Reuse often requires cleaning, which have environment cost. In general, reusable product we need to be more durable than single-use product and hence require more material per items. reduce. Reduce is simply creating less waste, using the thing again to reduce the waste. Advantages of reduce. Number 1, save natural resources. Throughout the life cycle of a product, from extraction of raw material to end use, waste is generated reusing items or making them. With less material, decreases waste dramatically. Unlimitedly few materials we need to recycle, combusted for energy or land filtered. Reduces cost. Preventing waste also can mean economic saving for communities, business organization and individual consumers. Recycle. Recycle is breaking down of an item into raw materials which are used to make potentially useful material. Recycling of materials may be produce a fresh supply of the same material. For example, used office paper would be converted into new paper. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction and in the third component of reduce, reuse, recycle. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपका रिड्यूस, रीयूज़ एंड रिसाइकिल था. हम किस तरह इसके एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं ये मैंने आपको इसमें बताया. रिड्यूस इसके एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस बताएं, और रिसाइकिल क्या है, और रिड्यूस क्या है, और रीयूज़ क्या है. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ मूव टू वर्क. एक्सरसाइज ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. आपने ये रिटन वर्क करना है अपनी कॉपी में. नंबर 1, एक्सरसाइज ए 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Number 1, domestic waste is increasing due to dash. The answer is all increase in the world pollution. ALL all, INCREASE increase, INNTHE the, WORLD world pollution, POPULATION pollution. Second one is dash is the biggest threat to our environment. The answer is pollution, POLLUTION pollution. Third one is using thing over and over again is dash. Blank is reusing, REUSING reusing. Fourth one is making new products from waste material is dash. Answer blank is recycling, RECYCLING recycling. Fifth one is recycling needs dash energy. Blank is LESS less. So students, ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज ए है. आपने इसे ब्लू से राइट करना है. जो आप ब्लैंक फिल करेंगे वो ब्लैक पेन से करेंगे. डेट डालिएगा, फिंगर गैप दीजिएगा और मार्जिन ज़रूर लगाइएगा. नाउ मूव टू एक्सरसाइज बी. In this chapter, unit 3, question number 1, how is the land being polluted? How is the land being polluted? Land is polluted by throwing trash and litter improperly. Land is polluted by throwing trash and litter improperly. Second question is, what is recycling and how is it beneficial for us? Answer is recycling means making new materials or products by using materials. Recycling helps to reduce land pollution. By using recycled material we can save energy. Now in this chapter the last question is question 5. Look at the chart below. How can these material be reused? आपने क्वेश्चन लिखना है. जैसे आप वर्ड सेंटेंस के लिए लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, वर्ड्स के लिए छोटी लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, हाफ से थोड़ा सा कम क्वार्टर लेते हैं, और सेंटेंस के लिए आप ज़्यादा गैप छोड़ते हैं. तो इसी तरह आपने मटेरियल और कैन बी रीयूज़ के लिए आपने वर्ड सेंटेंस की तरह लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है। मटेरियल्स आप लिखेंगे ब्लैक पेन से, और कैन बी रीयूज जितने भी बताएं मटेरियल के जो रीयूज्ड हैं वो आप लिखेंगे ब्लू पेन से। नंबर 1 ग्लास जार्स। ग्लास जार्स कैन बी रीयूज, हाउ कैन बी रीयूज? फ्लावर वास, कंटेनर्स फॉर कीपिंग स्पाइसेस। पेपर कैन बी रीयूज्ड, newsprint, curtains, cartons, newsprint, cartons, paper bags, etc. Plastic containers, switchboard, and many household items. We can reuse these materials. Cloth, colorful relics, wall hanging, etc. Boxes, cardboards to store things. So students, if you have any problem regarding the homework, then ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.